In this video, I want to take the time and explain to you what each of these buttons on the control panel of your Brother MFC-J1360DW printer are doing. What's their purpose? By the way, this control panel is adjustable up and down. So over here, this screen is not a touch screen, so that's why they put these buttons, so we can navigate through the different menus. Over here we have the clear back menu, which if you press this button alone, nothing will happen. This is because we're not into any menus currently. This is the main screen of the printer. To enter the settings menu, you need to select the settings button. And over here, to navigate in any menus, you need to use the up and down buttons. To go back, click the back button and you're back to the previous menu. Now, every time you want to select something, you can press the OK button. Now, if we go back on the main screen and you press the Wi-Fi button over here, you're going to see the Wi-Fi status, which means that which network this printer is currently connected to. As you see, this is the name of the network. And also over here, you're going to get the IP address of that network. If you want to change to connect this printer to another Wi-Fi network, simply press the right side button over here. You'll be able to select Find Network, and you're going to get a list of all the networks that are currently around, and using the up and down button, you're going to be able to select it. So this is the Wi-Fi button. Very nice. It's a shortcut button towards the Wi-Fi settings. Then if I go back into the main menu over here, if you click on this icon, this is for everything related to the ink. So by clicking here, you can see the ink volume by pressing OK, the ink cartridge models, you can test the print quality, you can clean the print heads, and other options. Now, if I go back on the home menu, you're going to also be able to use the scan and the web button. These will not be used very often. So if you click scan, you'll be able to select scan to PC or scan to web. To web, you need to have a Brother account and register and do all sort of stuff that I think most people will never do, honestly, who has a Brother account. But you have scan to PC, and over here, if you have a PC connected, you'll be able to select to file. You'll be able to select how do you want the scan to be. The thing is, if you have a PC or a Mac or even an iPhone or Android, you can scan without even touching anything on this control panel. The phones have their own app, the Brother Mobile Connect, and on a PC or a Mac, you can use different ways that don't require you to touch these things. Let's go back on the main menu, okay, by pressing stop. And as you see, the main menu typically shows you the copy machine. So what you see over here, quality normal, paper type, and all these things this is for the copy machines. If you want to input paper in the scanners, you'll be able to get a copy. The plus and minus button over here, you see, changes the number on the top right corner. This means that you can select how many copies you want. So if you want 8 copies of whatever you have put in the scanner, well, with this plus and minus button, you can adjust this. Finally, to do a black and white copy, select the white button over here, and to do a color copy, select the green button. The stop exit button is mostly used if, let's say, you have launched a print, but you want to stop everything. You want to cancel whatever the machine is currently doing. Maybe you made a mistake, maybe you want to change something. By pressing this red button, it stops everything and the print job gets cancelled. And finally, we have the power button. If you want to turn off your printer, keep press on it. It will say shutting down, and then press again on it, and the printer will turn off. This is as easy as it gets. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, leave a comment down below, subscribe, like. If you want to get some ink for your printer, this exact printer, I'll put compatible ink cartridges, the one that says over here LC501. And if you want to get some paper, photo paper, plain paper, I'll put some Amazon links as well in the description. Every time you buy through them, you support my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.